like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Gone for a year, only feel like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. Not this sound doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with another video, and in today's video we are featuring Cheetah Beauty Hair. Shout out to Cheetah Beauty Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. Today we have a 13x6 lace frontal bob. I will have the exact length and all the details in the description box, so be sure to check the description box in case you are interested. So this wig is super cute. This is like a chocolate brown color. Love this color, but the star of the show has to be the parting space. So I've realized what it is when it comes to bob wigs. I feel like it has to be a 13x6. Though it's not a full 13x6, as you get to the sides, it does taper off to the sides, and I do show you that. But along with it being a 13x6, this is also 180 density. Love this density. She is super full. I'm going to give you a complete 360 so you can see this from every angle. And she's gorgeous. So this hair was cut to precision. I love that this is like a lob. It's a long bob. I feel like I really like this look. Like, this is my ideal bob. I could do a shorty, but this one, I don't know. It's something about the cut, the lace construction. Like, it's bomb. So the cap size is average cap size, and it fit really well. I love the lace on this wig. I was a little skeptical because bleach the knots and squeeze the hairline. I felt as if the lace looked a little gray, but I feel like it was more on the brown side because once I melted it with the even lace spray, it was like invisible. Like, before I even tied it down with the bands, the lace started to melt into the skin. So whatever lace this is, they did that, okay? Love that. So yeah, we're gonna get into this. This is not a super tedious install because this is straight. I did wear this straight. I did style this on the mannequin head prior to the video, so it was more so touching it up on my head while I installed it, but we used the hot comb because we want to make sure that she's super flat. Yeah, that is really it for this video, and then I flat ironed it. Being that this is a nice length, you could easily add waves to this hair. Pull out that curling iron and you go to work and you get like the perfect subtle waves, beach waves, like with the straight ends. I love that on a bob. It just looks so good. And with this color, ooh, yes. So I'll have all the details down in the description box. Big shout out to Cheetah Beauty for sponsoring today's video. Thank you, beauties, for watching another video. And if you're into these bob looks, check out my playlist because I got quite a few. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only feel like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. Not this sound doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract girl, baby. In the meantime,
Sound good what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here out for myself. Sleep in the mirror, I doubt myself. Don't need myself for my wealth.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only feel like once. Life move fast.
tu mamá cuando no yo te shell. No, my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no, baby. You need to.
I feel like someone